Hello ladies, and welcome back to the channel. I want to do a quick little tutorial for us. I've gotten a lot of questions. First of all, thank you guys so much for the love on my 3D applique video. That video is doing very well and you guys are loving it, and I'm very happy about that. The main question I want to answer in this video is a question about the stem-like thing that we had at the end of that video. If you've not seen it, please check out that video so you understand what we are talking about and you are not confused. What I did was I used my copper wire. So I have my 0.90 millimeters copper wire right here for you guys to see, and I have the 0.70 millimeter one as 0.71 millimeter copper wire as well. So what I did was I took a little bit of this copper wire. I just want to illustrate for you guys so you understand what I'm talking about. And because this is just a tutorial and I don't want to waste my copper wire, I'm just going to take a little bit, okay? I hope you all get the gist. So now that I have something like this, the 0.71 millimeters copper wire is generally strong, and the 0.90 is even stronger, okay? So if you want to do that, feel free to do that. You could also use your hot wire for this thing that I'm illustrating, okay? I feel like it's better for you to just make a decision on what would work better for you, but yeah, this is my 0.71 millimeters copper wire, and I have what we call, I don't even know what this trimming is called. It's just a particular type of ribbon. It's very popular in the market as well. So what I did was I simply placed the ribbon like so. I applied a little bit of glue. This is my hot glue gun here. You can also use any of all those your regular glues, maybe the E or B range of glues, okay, the B6000, E7000 and those types exactly. So I put a little bit of glue on my wire to just turn off my glue, and then this is all I did. Simply just went round and round and round like so. And the idea just popped in my head. Honestly, with this thing, first of all, I highly recommend that you carry God along with you when working on your projects. I know it might sound funny to some people, but trust me, each time I'm trying to film a video, I just always tell God, God, please help me with this thing. And it always comes through. I'd already finished working on that video, and I just thought the illustration and the end result just looked too basic. So I was like, you know what? And the Holy Spirit dropped it in my mind that I should just come up with this branch-like, or is this stem-like thing, and place the 3D appliques on it, and that was what you guys saw in that video. So this is me just wrapping around this copper wire like so with this my trimming, because I've gotten quite a number of comments from people asking. So instead of just replying and describing what I did, I was like, let me just quickly film this video for you guys to see, because I'm always happy to share things with y'all. So now that I'm at the end, I'm just simply going to cut off the excess like so, ensure that everything is secured. Put a little bit of glue again right here, and wrap. Oof, hot glue, jeez, so freaking hot, my goodness. Anyway, the deed is done, and this is what we have here. What I did was I just simply went ahead to stick on those 3D appliques on the copper wire, and voila guys. You can even use this on a dress, right? You can create a stem like this, put your appliques all over it, and tack this stem like this on the dress and make it like a design. You guys, there's no limits to how creative we can get with this thing. I hope this video was very useful to you guys. It was a very short and straight to the point one. Please remember to like the video, no matter what, even if it's shorts that you watch, please like. If there's ad on the video too, please watch the ads. That's how I get support on this journey, okay? It's always very rewarding to see that what you're doing is kind of bringing in income and helping you out, okay? So your way of helping me is by watching the ads on my videos, subscribing if you're not subscribed, sharing my videos with your friends and family, and liking as well. Liking is very important. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. I can't wait to see you in another one. Bye.